Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to the Best Preparation, a YouTube channel for learning English language. आजको भिडियोमा धेरै भ्युअर्सहरूले चाहिँ डिमान्ड गर्नुभयो अल अफ सम अफ नन अफ बथ अफ यस्तो खालको कुरा छ है। यहाँ सब्सक्राइब तथा सेयर गरिदिनु होला पनि भनेको छ है। Now let's move to the first slide. Okay, some of, most of, one of, all of. अब यसमा some of people भन्न मिल्दैन। some of people केही मानिसहरू भन्दा some of people भनिँदैन। some of, most of, one of, all of को पछाडि the, these, my, that, those हरू आउँदो रहेछ। ओके, now अब some of my friends भन्यो भने मेरा साथीहरू मध्ये केही हुन्छ। most of my friends भन्यो भने मेरा अधिकांश साथीहरू, प्राय सबै साथीहरू। one of my friends भन्यो भने मेरा साथीहरू मध्येको एउटा भन्ने बुझिन्छ। all of my friends भन्यो भने मेरा सबै साथीहरू भन्ने बुझिन्छ। ओके, now let's see the example. How many of these people do you know? तपाई यी मान्छे मध्ये कतिजनालाई चिन्नुहुन्छ? How many of these आयो नि, how many of these, many पछाडि पनि of अनि these. How many of these people do you know? None of them. Okay, how many of these people do you know? तपाई यी मान्छेहरू मध्ये कतिजनालाई चिन्नुहुन्छ? बीले भन्दैछ none of them, म तिनीहरू कसैलाई पनि चिन्दिन। a few of them, तिनीहरू मध्ये थोरैलाई चिन्छु। all of them, सबैलाई चिन्छु। Okay, now let's see more examples. both of my sisters are teachers. मेरा दुवैजना दिदीहरू बहिनीहरू शिक्षिका हुनुहुन्छ। both of my sisters are teachers. both of को प्रयोग। most of my friends will come here. मेरा अधिकांश साथीहरू यहाँ आउनेछन्। most of my friends will come here. मेरा धेरै जसो साथीहरू यहाँ आउनेछन्। all of my friends go on holiday. मेरा सबै साथीहरू बिदा मनाउन जान्छन्। all of the workers get bonus. सबै वर्कर्सहरूले बोनस पाउँछन्। all of the students were late. all of the students, सबै विद्यार्थीहरू ढिलो भए। ओके, now let's see more. one of my friends tells a lie. मेरा साथीहरू मध्येको एउटा साथी चाहिँ झुटो बोल्छ। most of the news is good. प्राय सबै समाचार राम्रो छ। अधिकांश समाचार राम्रो छ, धेरै जसो। most of the news is good. some of the people I know are honest. some of the people, केही मान्छेहरू, I know, मैले चिनेका केही मान्छेहरू। some of the people I know are honest. मैले चिनेका केही मान्छेहरू इमान्दार छन्. Some of the people I know are honest. I spend most of my time with Hari. म मेरो धेरै जसो समय हरिसँग बिताउँछु. Okay? Now, let's see. How many of these people do you know? None of them. A few of them. All of them. Both of my sisters are teachers. Some of my friends will come here. All of my friends go on holiday. All of the workers get bonus. All of the students were late. One of my friends tells a lie. Most of the news is good. Some of the people I know are honest. I spend I spend most of my time with Hari. अघि गल्ती भएको छ. मैले मेरो धेरै जसो समय हरिसँग बिताएँ भयो है. बिताउँछु भन्ने हो भने आइएसपिइएनडी हुन्छ यहाँ. म मेरो धेरै जसो समय हरिसँग बिताउँछु भन्दा चाहिँ स्पेन्ड हुन्छ. मैले मेरो धेरै जसो समय हरिसँग बिताएँ स्पेन्ड हुन्छ. ओके. It is short video but very important. I hope you found it useful for you. Please repeat until you are perfect. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thanks for watching it. See you next time. Goodbye.